How to draw a Christmas moose. Start with drawing a small oval. Then draw another oval around it. Draw the head as shown. Then draw the eyes. Draw the ears as shown. Draw the hands as shown. Then draw the legs. Draw the body. Then draw the horns. At last color the moose. Here is the finished drawing of the Christmas moose.